Building. Did it fall down? What did you try to build?
Truck.
Oh no, did the truck fall down? You can keep going. Put more on top. It'll be all right.
Mommy.
What, Luke? What are you building? Can you tell me what you're building, Luke? Yeah. That looks really good, Luke. Can you tell me what it is? No? You don't know? Uh-oh. Oh my goodness, that was so good. Be careful, real careful. Oh no! Nope. Oh, I wouldn't throw those. What? What? You built a tractor? That looks really good. Don't need that one, huh? It's okay. Steamroller. Knock over.